How to delete Reddit account on Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete Reddit account on Android or iOS. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Reddit app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Reddit app. Once you have done that, simply open your Reddit app and then click on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then click on Settings found on the bottom, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and go to Help Center. So once you're in Help Center, you may type in delete account and then click on search. Wait for it to load and click on how do I delete my account right here. Then wait for it to load once again and scroll down until you can see the account settings right here. So click on account settings and wait for it to load. So if it asks you to log in, then please log in with your account. So I have done that already, and now I will be going to the bottom of the page. So I'll just scroll down and then I may be able to see the delete account option right here. So I'll just simply click on delete account on the bottom, click on continue, click on OK. And then what this will do is that if you don't have a password, then they will send you a link. So you need to go to your email, check on that link, and then create the password. And now you may go back here and delete your account. So if you already have your password, you just simply click on delete account, simply follow the steps needed, and then that's it. That's how you can delete Reddit account on Android or iOS.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.